What's going on, YouTube? It's McLean here with the Off-Road Rhino. I'm out here in the Jeep today because we are going to be replacing our Rugged Ridge cell phone holder with the Proclip cell phone mount. So here's what's up. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Also, like the video and leave a comment below on what you would like to see next. We've had this Rugged Ridge cell phone mount for probably a little over a year now, and I really like a lot of the things that come with it. For example, the recess space where you can put things like coins, or you can put your phone up there and not worry about it sliding off or anything like that. It was really nice to have that on there, but the phone mount itself is just really unstable, and it doesn't work for what we need when we're bouncing around in the Jeep. We use our phones for navigation or recording sometimes, and the phone mount is just not sturdy enough to deal with all the bumps that come on an off-road trail. So we're gonna be replacing that. That is going to require me to pull the top off the radio, so let's get started. All right, so now that I've got the dash back to stock, I'm going to be following Proclip's instructions. So the first thing it wants you to do is use this gap opener right here to pry up this end. There we go. So the gap opener just pried up the end of the radio cover there, and then this is the actual Proclip mount. So it wants you to remove the tape. So I've removed the tape off the back. It wants me to hook the edge of the Proclip right under there and slide it over to the left, and then go ahead and press down to mount it right there. I'm going to take this other tape off too, and then bring it around. It will adhere right there. Then I can just pull this gap opener out so that that sets back down flush. All right, so next thing I did, so this is how the cell phone holder comes, and I unscrewed the screw in the middle to take these apart because this is what I'm going to be mounting up to the Proclip plate over here. And then on this end, I had to unscrew these two screws so that I could widen it and make it wide enough so that it fits my phone. But this opens up and closes. So if you have a wider phone, or not sure how far apart it goes, maybe it could fit my phone lengthwise if I really wanted it, but yeah. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is putting the screws in for this base plate onto the Proclip mount that I just installed over here. So I'll show you that. All right, guys, so there is the Proclip all installed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for more content in the future. Also, feel free to drop a like and leave a comment. We'd really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.